This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stock on Excel. To begin, simply type the ticker symbols for your desired stocks into a column in your spreadsheet. For example, you might enter MSFT or Google. Next, select these cells and navigate to the Data tab in Excel's ribbon. Click on the Stocks Data Type button. Excel will then transform your text into a rich data type, automatically linking to a vast database of financial information. This is your first step to powerful stock tracking. Once your tickers are converted, you can easily pull in a wealth of financial data. Simply select a cell with a stock data type, and a small icon will appear, allowing you to add new columns. You can choose from over 100 data points, including current price, daily change, 52-week high, and market capitalization. To keep your information current, just click the Refresh All button in the Data tab. This ensures your spreadsheet always reflects the latest market movements. Now that you have your data, let's analyze it. You can create simple formulas to calculate your total portfolio value by multiplying the number of shares you own by the current stock price. For example, if you own 100 shares of a stock, multiply 100 by its current price. You can also track your daily gains or losses. Consider using conditional formatting to highlight positive or negative changes, making it easy to spot trends at a glance. For more advanced tracking, explore historical data options to see how a stock has performed over various periods, such as the last 30 days or 1 year. You can also create dynamic charts directly from your stock data to visualize price movements and identify trends. Furthermore, consider using data validation to ensure consistent input for your share counts or purchase prices, maintaining the integrity of your financial model. These tools will elevate your stock tracking capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.